Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price movement broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, just makes summarizing the price movement today very straightforward. I did do this analysis yesterday because things did come to life. But as far as, look, Clay, just summarize this for me quickly. This thing was a total pump and dump. Now, I don't say pump and dump in the regards to the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on the price action and how it all, unfolded today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's quickly apply that definition. And essentially, this move started yesterday, and I did do a video on it, like I said, when it broke up above 45, which was kind of a key breakout point on the chart. And that's where the starting point, in my mind, essentially was. Because again, from charting lingo, that's where the technical breakout happened. So it started there, and then today with the gap up and then the move, it went all the way up there. So again, first part of the definition, price makes a really nice move. I'm hoping we can all agree that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time, considering this all basically happened in a day with a few, about an hour on Thursday. So an hour on Thursday and then 1 day today on Friday. I think we can agree once more that this was a short amount of time. And then the final part of the statement, the price goes back to where it started or sometimes even lower. So where did it ultimately close today? Right here. Not to insult your intelligence, but when you make that kind of corresponding back to over here, you can see that the price is actually even lower than that breakout point. It's literally back to these lows where it was before the move even happened. Now, am I saying that another nice move can never ever happen? I'm not saying that at all. But as far as the move that happened on, the last hour of Thursday and then the gap up this morning, yeah, there was zero true power behind that. And as you can see here, it just turned out to be an absolute pump and dump. Crazy to think that there are people chasing and buying up here above the 65-cent range. Hopefully those people kind of learned a lesson, a tough lesson, but a lesson nonetheless on why you don't want to chase. But yeah, like I said, as far as summarizing this thing was an absolute pump and dump. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.